In any organization, speed and portability drive seamless workflows. Print faster with the DYMO LabelManager Executive 640CB, saving time on labeling tasks. Boost productivity and stay organized with a label maker that works wherever you are. Built for a variety of environments, it prints in widths ranging from 6mm to 24mm for equipment marking, inventory tracking, and instructional signage. A powerful rechargeable lithium-ion battery ensures uninterrupted labeling. USB-C and Bluetooth Low Energy enable fast, reliable connections without manual pairing. The rugged, ergonomic design features a compact, texture grip for secure handling in tough environments. Its large, high-resolution color screen ensures error-free labeling with 4 background colors for optimal readability, even in low light. Choose standard or durable D1 labels, built for long-lasting identification in high-traffic areas. Durable labels resist heat, moisture, solvents, and cleaners, ensuring strong adhesion in demanding environments. It features up to 80% recycled packaging and recycled cassette housing. Calm the chaos in general organizations with the DYMO LabelManager Executive 640CB.